Hi everyone, Anjum here with the chicken grill, easy chicken grill recipe. This is a recipe that I have tried to create using the usual ingredients, the simple ingredients. There is a few ingredients here. You can substitute. I'll tell you at what point. But let me start. This is kiwi. This is kiwi fruit, half of a large kiwi, or you can use a small one. Kiwi is an amazing tenderizer for meat dishes. For our South Asian for recipes we use papaya, raw papaya paste as a tenderizer. But I have done a lot of research on kiwi. Kiwi has a lot of nutrition and is a tastier, yummier, and a very effective tenderizer. So there, this is kiwi, half kiwi. This is chicken. This is half a chicken, about a pound of chicken, little more or less, but half a chicken cut into, and with bone. This is a recipe with bone. So half a chicken cut into about 10 pieces. The smaller the better. So this kiwi goes in here. This is a tenderizer for the chicken, and this is how we start. Now I usually put this kiwi and leave it on for about 30 minutes, up to you, because this is chicken, it cooks faster, but sometimes chicken does cook outside and on the inside you find it's still a little bit raw. So I like to leave the tenderizer on. This is ginger and garlic. 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon garlic, a heaped teaspoon of ginger paste, garlic paste, so becomes 2 teaspoons. We're going to put this in. And then this is a heaped, it's a tablespoon of cumin, the regular cumin, but just pounded. As you can see, it's a coarse grind, you can call it. You can either mix all this. This is a first marinade for the chicken together and put it in, or you can put it. Because I want to show one by one. That's why we're doing it like this. This is coriander, just a regular coriander seed. A tablespoon goes in there, right? This is oregano, dried oregano leaves, about half a teaspoon. But the way to use oregano, parsley, all the dried leaves, the dried herbs, when you put in your food, when you add, the way to do is to rub between the two hands and let it powder a bit, and you will always find it so much more flavorful. There you go. This was our oregano. This is of course salt, a flat teaspoon. Up to you, you want to increase. This is half a teaspoon of turmeric, yellow turmeric powder. Now these are my chilies. This is the spice. This is a crushed chili or chili flakes, red chili flakes. Up to you. You can just totally omit this. You can use half of it. This is a teaspoon of red chili powder. These two chilies are optional in the amount and whether you want to use them, but you have to. This is a spicy dish. So now I'm going to use my hands to mix it because there is no better way. But for all my friends, viewers, I must remind you that when you are handling meat, especially chicken, make sure to wash your hands after you use them for mixing, for health reasons. It is very important. It can be very dangerous not to wash your hands after handling the chicken and not to wash them well. So there you go. This is what brings the flavor. Good mixing, especially when you're marinating with spices. You have to. Okay, this is my first marinade. Excuse me, let me just wash my hands. I need to tell you that for the second marinade, I would leave this for 2 to 3 hours. 2 to 3 hours for it to marinate, for the spices to go in well. But because we don't have time, I'm going to do it all in one. Now this is clarified butter. We call it ghee. I make it at home with butter, with unsalted butter. Let it cook on low for a long time. I'm just going to teach you one day how to do this. But meanwhile, this is 3 to 4 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons is good. 2 to 3 tablespoons if you don't like it too oily. But this is the only oil or only shortening or the only grease that you're going to use. Nothing else. This is cilantro leaves. About 2 tablespoons of cilantro leaves. This is mint leaves. Very fine chopped mint and cilantro. This is chili. This is green chili paste. I'm going to use just a little bit. It does become spicy. If you use too much, it's good for flavoring. You, if you don't like it too spicy, use the mild one. The mild green chili. There is 2 or 3 kinds. Don't use the hot, but the chili paste is good for this. I'm going to just put them on the skewers and I'm going to come back because I need to show you how to cook those. Welcome back, my friends, and all I did while you were not watching was to put my chicken on the skewers. As you see, it's there and it's going to go in there now. We have some extra marinade here that we are going to keep. This is about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. Takes a little longer to cook because it's with bones. You can also try boneless. I like it because it keeps the juices in. Boneless meat, boneless chicken especially becomes very dry after cook unless the recipe definitely requires boneless chicken. I avoid because there is a taste that comes with cooking with whole chicken that you don't get otherwise. As you can see, it is looking very appetizing and very yummy. I will just keep adding there is a lot of extra marinade here, but with the spices you can go easy. Please, if you can't take the chili, go easy on the chili. You can either omit the crushed chili totally or reduce the chili flakes and the red chili to half. You can omit the chili flakes and instead use coarse ground black pepper, just half teaspoon of that, and you will still have a lot of taste in your food. Please do experiment with your spices. You can omit some, you can add something. Be creative and you will always get good results. Like I say, food will always be edible. There will always be something interesting coming out of your creativity in the kitchen. And I do it as a passion, as a hobby. I never cook as a chore, so there is always taste to food, and it is very rewarding for your family to appreciate. And we're going to just continue cooking this. We're just going to keep changing sides every 2 minutes, 1 minute, 3 minutes, and total of about, like I said, about 15 minutes, 8 minutes, 7 minutes on each side. And I'll see you in about 10 to 15 minutes and show you the finished product. We're back with our finished easy chicken grill. As you can see, I took about 15 minutes, total of 15 minutes. I just kept turning sides with this simple tong to make sure that it's evenly cooked. And as you can see, it is nicely cooked and tender and falling. You can serve with the with your skewers, or you can remove the skewers. There is no hard and fast rule. We have some extra like a gravy coming out from the marinade, but you don't have to use this also. This is spicy, up to you, but this is the way we would like to serve this. I'd just like to give you some serving suggestions on this. This is the chicken. You serve it with yogurt. This is yogurt with cucumber and some coriander, cumin, some roasted cumin and cucumber in there, cubed cucumber, salt and black pepper. This is a mint sauce, mint chutney we call it. You can get it in bottles in the South Asian stores, and in every supermarket they have this. They call it mint chutney. Chutney means sauce. This is a bit spicy sauce. I will one day show you how to make some sauces. But this is naan bread. Again, every supermarket is carrying naan bread now. For those of us who live in the West, it is available. So naan bread, some salad on the side, yogurt, chutney, and this is your chicken. I hope you have enjoyed watching, and you will enjoy cooking and eating and serving just as I have enjoyed showing you, sharing my recipe with you, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.